Hi guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Okay guys, in today's video I'm going to show you a facial kit which is super affordable and you can do your facial at home. I'm going to give you a detailed process how to do it and you'll really enjoy doing it. The facial kit is only for 260 rupees and you can do 3 facials, that is 80 rupees per facial. Isn't that amazing? So this facial kit is super amazing and all skin type people can use this. And if if you have sensitive skin, if you are going to be bright, then they can also use it. And the process of doing this facial is super easy. So I'm going to take you to the process and you'll really enjoy it and you will see the difference in your skin yourself. Okay guys, now let's get started with the video. So this is how the facial kit looks like. This is a facial kit from Nature Essence. It's a gentle fruit facial kit. It's an amazing facial kit. You can use this for 3 times and that is amazing. It has 4 steps in it. So I will show you the process how to do it. So this is how the packaging looks like. I will show you how it looks inside. Okay guys, so this is how it looks like. So it has 4 tubes and 1 detan therapy. So this is the first step. It's a pre-facial prep. So the first step now you have to do is a cleanse of face. I will tell you everything in detail. This is the second step. This is the third tube. And now it's a fourth tube. Now we'll go in detail how to do it. So let's start. Okay guys, so now we are going to start with the first step, that is detan therapy. It's a detan wipe off mask and it's a pre-facial prep. So first you have to apply this detan. So detan therapy is a wipe off mask. It's a pre-facial treatment, a wipe off mask that removes all type of tan, bringing back your natural fairness and glow. It's very gentle on your face. So you have to apply it all over your face. It's a very nice facial. So now you have to keep it for 15 minutes. So after keeping it for 15 minutes, you have to massage this into your skin for 2 minutes and it will really give you very nice results. So now you have to just massage it for 2 minutes. So this will remove all type of tans and it will really help you while massaging. It will increase the blood circulation and will really help you to glow. So this facial is very nice. If people who have sensitive skin, they can also use it and it's a very nice facial and super affordable facial. Anyone can do this facial at home. All the steps are written on it, so it's very easy to use. After massaging, you have to wash it off and you can see the glow yourself. It's amazing. I really love it. So let's start. This is the first step. You have to use a cleanser. So first you have to spray water on your face or just wet your face. Then you have to use this cleanser. It's a gentle fruit almond cleanser. This is a gentle cleansing lotion that leaves your skin fresh and supple. So you have to sprinkle some water as I have showed you. Now you have to take this cleanser and just massage into your skin for 2 minutes and by massaging this into your skin, it will remove all the dirt whichever is left on your skin and will cleanse your skin properly, making it very smooth and very soft. So you can see how I'm massaging it into my skin and it's very easy to do it. So you have to just massage it properly and whenever you're doing anything, please use light hands. Don't be hard on your hands. Use light hands and you can do the massage. You can see how I'm doing it. You have to do it in upward direction. So after massaging, you can wipe off with a wet cotton or a clean cloth and you will see how fresh your skin is looking after that and you are ready for step 2. So now step 2, it's a gentle fruit orange scrub and pack. So it's a deep action scrub and pack that gives your skin a fresh nourishing radiance. So what you have to do it, you have to just spray some water on your face. Don't apply it on your dry skin. You have to apply some water and then you have to take the second tube. So you have to apply the scrub and pack in a layer over the moist skin and massage it in upward direction strokes for 3 minutes. So you have to apply it all over your face and you have to massage in an upward direction for at least 3 minutes and please be gentle because this is a scrub, so you need to be gentle on your hands whenever you're using this. So this scrub will help you to exfoliate all the dead skin, blackheads if you have any, and it will remove all the dirt from your skin and will really help you to make your skin very soft and dirt free. So after massaging, you have to leave it for 5 minutes, and after that wash it with water. So now we are ready for step 3. So step 3 is Nourish Gentle Fruit Saffron Massage Cream. So this is a gentle saffron massage cream, a saffron enriched cream that leaves your skin visibly smoother and more nourished. So how you have to use it? You have to apply the cream in dots all over your skin, massage it gently over your face and with your fingertips in upward stroke for 15 minutes. You have to relax as your skin absorbs the rich saffron extract in the cream. So now you have to massage this cream into your skin and let completely get absorbed into your skin, and you have to massage this in upward direction, and it smells heavenly. I just love the smell because it's a gentle fruit cleanser, so it smells like fruit and it's amazing. So you have to now massage it properly and gently into your skin till it completely get absorbed into your skin. So you have to massage it, and after that you are ready for step 4. So let's start with step 4. This is the last step. So this is a fourth polished gentle fruit apple pack. So you have to, it's a firming pack that tones your skin for a nourished and a perfect glow. So how you have to use it? You have to apply the pack in a layer all over your face, and you have to keep it for 7 minutes, and you have to just relax, and before it gets dried up you have to wash your face. So now you have to keep the pack for 7 minutes and then you have to wash your face. You can see you don't have to completely dry it. Now you can wash your face. So now you can see the result. It is really glowing and it's amazing. I just love the results. You can see it yourself and you can try it at home. And if you love it, please let me know in the comment section below. And if you're interested in buying these products, all the links are in the description box below. So you can go ahead and shop for it, and they are super affordable and very nice facial kits. Okay guys, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell right next to it so that whenever I upload a new video, you are notified. Okay guys, bye, take care, and do come here for more such videos. Bye guys.